Right guys, we've got something special here.
Let's go.
G.H Dobson Waltzer, 1933, Arc.
Come on,
Orton.
your hands up, push them up, let's do it.
Orton and Spooner.
Somebody scream. Somebody scream! I want to see your hands up high, come on!
Oh, I've seen another video on YouTube of this ride and it looked crap. But I can tell you now, standing here first-hand experience, it does not look crap at all. I'm not too sure about the white cars, but never mind. Let's see what it rides like.
Okay, if you want some more, say yeah.
Certainly looks a lot better than what I was expecting it to be.
Yeah, come on. Okay, wait for the ride to completely stop, please.
Yeah, that'll be interesting to go on. G.H Dobson's Waltzer 1933 X Speedway. Someone's got good taste. They got a wolf shirt on. Fair play. Oh, there's another one. We like our wolf shirts. Give them a like and subscribe, folks.
Right, come on, move in now.